we had a lot of good times. It was a mixed team. Had East Central kids, West End kids. We had a kid or two from I think one from North Heights. We really had a good time. We really got so much better throughout the season.
Well, got 13 kids and started off the season 0-3, finished it 7-5, won 7 out of our last 9. Actually proud of them. Couldn't ask for a better group of players and parents too. So look forward to next year and go Mojo.
Happy for them. They worked hard and they played hard, and I was glad they could win. Kind of the neat thing about it, and I was telling Chris Henderson, the coach from the other team, is both these teams had 2 early season losses, and both of us ended up in the championship game. So I think that was a character to help contribute to how hard they worked and how much better they got each and every week.
Coach Big Championship Game 2013. Please give both these teams a big round of applause.